For over 20 years, GrassPerson has been partnering with our customers to help them achieve what they ultimately want to achieve, which is to have the best yard on the block. One of the ways we do that is to provide a full level of services that will help them meet those needs.
We're looking for full service or packaged type of customers where they will allow us to really take care of the entire property, from a weekly mowing and edging and blowing to a monthly trimming to taking care of their irrigation, and then during the seasons the mulch and the flowers. It helps us stay engaged with not just you but your property, and we're able to pinpoint trouble areas within the property as soon as they happen. And because we're going to be the service provider full circle, you'll really start to understand from our engagement with you what are the good times and what are the bad times of the year for your property specifically.
Basically boils down to education of our customer. Many of our customers don't realize the importance of essential fertilization and weed control services, or they don't realize that their irrigation system really should be checked twice a year.
We want you to be able to explain why you have the best yard on the block, what your yard is about and how it works and how it develops. So not only do you have your eyes on the property, but you have our eyes on the property.
People just simply want to have a really nice yard that they can be proud of. Beyond that, having a good, well-groomed, well-maintained landscape actually enhances the value of your property.
So being a full-service customer of ours will allow us to stay engaged with you and pinpoint the problem areas of the property at any given point in the year, and really creating a plan so that moving forward we can address those problems before they happen.